I am Nadine Montague, the acting manager of the Heart NSTA Trust, Rockford Vocational Training Center. We are here at the location of the National Development Project, Tiny House Project, where the institution has been mandated to construct a small dwelling house for an indigent person who has no proper dwelling place. And we are here looking at the building today. Concept of the project is that we are to find somebody who is very needy, who is above 60 and is in dire need of a house situation. We did our research and we consulted somebody in the area and we were referred to this location. As you can see over there, that this is where the lady is living, and from that we are lifting her living standards to this location where it's a one-bedroom open concept dwelling. The general construction group was engaged along with the instructor to carry out the mandate that was assigned to the institution. They came, did their evaluation, did their project planning, and they began their project. And today, as you can see, the General Construction Level 2 trainees, they are here doing a perimeter fencing for the project. As it is important because there was zinc fencing that was there that was dilapidated and was infested with termites. And so they are here today doing the fencing, which is the completion and wrapping up of the tiny house project for Rockford Vocational Training Center.
I'm Norris Crosdale. I'm the general construction instructor from the Rockford Vocational Training Center. What we are doing here, we are building, or we have done, a one-bedroom open concept structure for an elderly lady. What we are also doing, as you see, we are constructing a brick wall at the entrance here to provide safety. What I can tell you is that the trainees are the ones that are doing the work. I am only here to provide a certain guidance for the trainees. They are in the project from the beginning, from the clearing of the site through to the setting out, the steel work, the excavation, the block work, framing of the walls, right through to roof, to painting, through to the tiling jobs. I'm feeling very satisfied of the transformation that has taken place with all of these learners. They have improved significantly, so I'm very happy that our trust and Rockford as a whole is a part of the whole development of these youngsters and to the wider society, Jamaica, and the world at large.
My name is Trainees. I'm Rockford Heart, General Construction Level 2. I'm now doing a laying out of a retaining wall, doing the first core of blocks in the base. So I'm now going to plumb and level this first block so I can catch the balance of blocks. I'm laying my first block in this row, in this core. So this is my base block. I'm now checking for plumb right here. That's for straightness of the block vertically. So I'm going to check the levelness of this block. So I need to tilt this a bit forward. Check the levelness. That's level right there. That's level. I put some mortar here to base this for the first core. So I now have to use a trowel to place the block closer to this first steel and then for it. So I'm going to put my first block down for this first core. So this is the narrow shell face of the block, narrow edge, and this is the wider edge. So the wider edge must always be up in the here to accommodate mortar for the second block. So now I'm going to put it over the 16 steel here, and then keep the line clear at all times.
My name is Romario Morris and I'm from Rockport Vocational Training Center. And what you're seeing here, I'm about to lay the 7th row or 7th row of blocks right here. So I'm going to put a full block on top to start. I'm putting down the mortar on top of the block right here. Process is called plumbing. So we're plumbing the block so the wall can be as straight as possible. And right here, I'm catching the level. This level a bit too tall, but